Hello guys, how are you? Hope everyone is doing good. Any new topic you learned recently? If yes, please do let me know in the chat section. So let's continue our discussion on Salesforce AI Specialist Certification. Today, we are going to discuss the sales email prompt template in detail along with a demo. So without further delay, let's dive into it. What is sales email prompt template? Sales email prompt template in Salesforce is a pre-configured text-based template that uses Prompt Builder in Salesforce to help sales representative quickly craft personalized and engaging emails. It leverages Salesforce data and generative AI capabilities to tailor email content for specific recipient, saving time and improving communication effectiveness. Let's see that in action. So I have already logged in into my Salesforce org and let me navigate to the prompt builder. So to navigate to the prompt builder, you need to click on this gear icon and need to click on the setup. Once you are in the setup, you need to type prompt builder and you need to click on this one. Once you click on this, the prompt builder page will open and all the prompt builder, whichever you have already been created, that will be listed in this particular section. Now, if you want to create a new prompt template, you need to click on new prompt template. And as today we are focused on sales email template, let's see that how to create a sales email prompt template. So you need to select this drop down. This is prompt template type, and from here you need to click on sales email. Now you can provide a meaningful name here, and in the recipient it you need to select either contact or lead. So only two option is available under recipient, that is contact and lead. And related object, you can select anything. Whatever you want, you can select that is present in your org. An object, you can select any object in related object. Once you are done with everything, you need to click on next and you will view a screen that is prompt template workspace screen like this. If you are not familiar with workspace and what different option you can get in the workspace, if you are not familiar with that one, I have a video already regarding a detailed video of what workspace is about, what we can do in the workspace, what each of this different like resources, preview, template properties actually do. Uh, there is a detailed video, you can check it out. So now let's come to this sales email template. In the sales email template, we can create our sales email. I mean, we can help sales representative to quickly craft personalized and engaging email using different type of data. We can ground data using different type. One is using merge field, another one is using flow, another one is using apex. So we can use different. Let's start with the resource merge, like field merge field, using merge field. So to that is present here, that is record merge field. So use what is record merge field? Record merge field is nothing but the record that you have selected when you are selecting this one. So I have selected contact. So you will get that particular record merge field in this particular resource section. So from resource section, if you click on recipient, you will get all the details, all the field of that recipient. In this case, I have selected like sender, and one is sender you can get, one is recipient. So I get sender and as well as recipient. So suppose I required recipient account name. So I can select on recipient and then I scroll a little bit down, and once I get, let me type account. So see here account ID, and then I can type name, and if I click on account name, so there I got input recipient account name. So I don't want to change it, so let me remove this one. So this is how you can get your different type of record merge field. Okay, so let's test that one whether it is working fine or not. Okay, so this is my one of the contacts. So let me copy it and let me paste it here. So I found it. You can select a language. For time being, I'm selecting English. And as this is my activated, so that's why you do not able to see save and preview. So let me save as a new version. Let me do it. So version 2 is created. Now the save and preview, I mean the preview section has been enabled. So let me click on preview and let's see what I'm getting. So I will click on preview. So see, here I get that subject as whatever subject I have provided, whatever instruction I have provided, based on that, it provided me the subject, and then it provided me the response. Now, as the provider does not have any account name and company name, the one that I have provided, so that's why nothing is coming. But if the provider or sender has the correct data populated in your database, then this will be updated. This will be coming correctly. So this is how your record merge field works. Now, if you want to use flow merge field, let's see how flow merge field works. So this is everything is same. The one difference is rather than using here input recipient or sender, I'm getting the data from both the places, one from sender and recipient and another one from flow. So from flow, what I'm getting all the event information. So whatever recipient I'm going to provide here, I'm going to get all the events related to that particular contacts using flow get marketing events. Now you must be wondering how I get the flow. So if you click on resources, there is one option called flow, and whichever is like of type sales email prompt template, that will be visible here and you can select one of them. Now that is fine, right? From resources you will get flow. It's very much easy, like how to add flow. Now you might be wondering why only three flow is coming, why not every flow is coming, and how to enable a particular flow for a sales email template. So let's check that one. So this is my this is my flow. So I need to create a trigger prompt flow. So if I click on this one and if I click on edit, when you are creating a flow, trigger a template trigger prompt flow, then when you click on next, then this select input type will come. And don't select manual input because that is something related with flex that will come into later video. But today as we are focused on sales email templates, so you need to select automatic inputs. And once you select automatic input under prompt template type, you will get different option like record summary, field generation, different. So in our case, it's email template capability. So we choose this one, and then we choose who is the sender, who is the recipient, and you can select the related object as well. Once you are done with that one, you can save it. Then I get all the events. So yeah, let me show you this little bit. So based upon the data we are getting, so location contains whatever location we are getting. Based upon that, from the event object, I'm querying all the records. Once I get all the records, then if any record found, I'm adding it to the for loop. And this one is very much important. Add prompt instruction. So if you click on any of the plus icon, you can get add prompt instruction under Einstein GPT. So you need to select that one. So I have already added that one. Let me show you how it works. So once you click or add something or edit something, you need to provide label, API name, and then in this prompt instruction, you need to provide what details you want to send to the prompt template. So once you are okay with all the details, then you can save it and you can use this, you can activate it and use this flow in your prompt template like I have used this one. So the preview is not available. Let me save as a new version and let me show you. Okay, so new version created. Let me copy this one and paste it here. Okay, I got it. So I click on preview. Let's see what data we are getting from Flow and from LLM, both. Okay, so I get the data. So in this case, what follow my instruction below and add the following event information where we get that one. Okay, add the following event information. No upcoming events near you. So the one that I have selected, there is no upcoming event. So let me select some um, another one. Okay, let's select whether there is any event present or not. If not, let me create one. Okay, no activity. Okay, this is, let's create a new event. Okay, it will be 4th. Okay, 4th 11 p.m. meeting, and location is suppose New York. It should match with this one. So details, what is the location? Let's see the location. Okay, there is no look. Okay, yeah, here you go. Okay, in our this one, what we have done, get records. Let me edit that one. Let's see which one we have provided. Input, mailing state or province. Okay, that is fine. State and province is Ohio. Okay, let me update the location as Ohio and save it. Okay, we saved it. Now let's check it. Okay, click on preview. Okay, okay. So we got the data that add the following event information to the email and get that from flow. So add the following event information to the email, and what is the event details? Follow for next meeting, that is Ohio, start date is this one, end date is and then again another one is again on the Ohio that we just created for February 2nd, and this one is coming fine. So we are getting two event, and based upon that it provided LLM provided response that is exclusive invitation, discover solar innovation, blah blah blah. You have a follow-up meeting, and meeting Ohio started this one, and everything is coming fine. So this is, let me activate this one. So this is how your flow works. Flow get the data from our prompt template, grounded the data using flow merge field. Now there is one more, that is prompt template grounded the data using Apex. You same how to add the Apex. You go to the resources, you click on Apex, and you select it whatever Apex class is present, or whichever you just created, you can add that one. So in this case also you can notice not all the Apex class is available to choose. So which one is available to choose, and how we can enable a Apex class so that we can choose it from this email sales email prompt template. So let me navigate to the class. So in the class I created this one. So if I go to this one, contact events prompt, this is same as this one. Now the main thing is label and capability type. Capability type should be sales email. If it is sales email, then only it will be available on your sales email prompt template. If it is something different like field generation or something flex, then it will not be available on your sales email prompt template. So be very careful about capability type. Then rest of the thing is like you need to send the data into this particular as an input parameter. This should be request, and within request you can define your variable using invocable method. For this one, I mean for sales email template, we generally use sender and recipient. So recipient can be contact or lead, and sender is must be an user. Same when you try to output the data to the prompt template, when you want to ground it the data, the return type should be list of response, and response, within the response there should be only one variable that is of type string, and the name should be prompt. So this is how you can create a Apex class for an sales email. Once you created your Apex class, then you can use that in your this one in your email. So now let's see whether it is working or not. So we will use the same data, that is this one, and let me save it as a new version. Okay, it got saved. I will use this one, and let me preview it. Okay. And let's see, add the following event information to the email. Add the following event information to the email. It got the event details, follow up Ohio, start date is this, event detail is Ohio, start date is February. So everything comes perfectly fine. Our data comes perfectly fine. Now let's see the LLM. So LLM is also providing the event details, that is one meeting, That is the older one and the new one that we have just created today. And then it provided all the details that benefit your operation, blah, blah, blah. And it provided us a perfect email template. Now, yeah, we are done with our email template creation. We grounded our prompt template using record merge field, flow merge field, apex merge field. Now you're wondering, okay, we created it, but how come a end user, a sales representative can able to use it? What is the usage? So let's check the usage. Now, if I go to suppose a contact, so I came here and then as I logged in with suppose this particular user and then I go to the activity and I want to send um, a email to particular this user so that as a sales representative I want to meet with him. So I will click on an email. I want to send an email. So I just clicked on email and this pop-up open. So usually what we do, we then type our email, whatever is required, we type it by our own and then we send it. But in this case, we'll use draft with Einstein. This is the button that we are going to use. So if I click on this one, then what will happen? A window like this will open. Then in this particular section, in the search section, it will ask you whether you are going to use the standard or the custom one that we have created. So see, event marketing email. Then another one is like event marketing, nearby events marketing email. So all that one is coming here. See, event marketing email, nearby event marketing email. Let's use this one. So it's analyzing your request and it's generating the data. Okay, I got the one. If I like this, I can use like or I can dislike it. I can undo it or I can revise it. Anything I can do. And once I am okay with this particular email, I can say done. Okay. So I can click on revise and I can use something else like other than using nearby. Let's suppose I use this one. Then it will again frame the email based on that particular prompt email template and it provide me a detail of this one. Now I can review that one and then I can click on send. That is how a sales email prompt template works. And it's very important to have hands-on experience on this one because AI specialist certification required some hands-on experience and based on that you can able to answer the question. So that is all about today's video. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Signing off for today. See you soon in my next video. Thank you for watching.